Prestatuta nagira ngu plan ensya eyibagarukire bakahinduramu kandi bakatebekanisa ahabwa ba meya ahamwe n'abebembezi ba za municipality ekwatirine n'akakoko ka sirimu no kurinda eby'obuhangwa neija kuba nekora kumara emyaka 5 kandi egi bagenderere kureba ngu babasa kutaho emiringo eyo kurinda obuhangwa bwensi okureba uko barabase kureberera kasasiro ogaruka kubyare emiti eyibatemire ahamwe no kureba ngo bagamba ahanshonga ezoburwire obutari kuturira ahamwe no kureba ngo bakora ahaburwire obwa sirimu.
Looking at if each urban authority can at least have 1,000 trees planted of any species, it could be the new species, or it could be the indigenous trees, and it's actually very important to also keep our indigenous trees growing in our areas. They support the ecosystem. So if every urban authority can plant 1,000 trees, it will be a huge contribution of the urban leaders to the environmental protection of Uganda.
Kavuma nagira ngo mbare gw'abantu abine oburwire bwa sirimu guri ahiguru na mnonga omyanya eyetawuni ukani mbarara niyo yebembire omucanga ekyaburengereza wa Uganda.
HIV prevalence rate is actually highest in communities, and in Western Uganda it's actually in Mbarara. I forget the figure right now, but in Mbarara prevalence is a little higher than all the others. Why? It is not a blame game of the urban, you have a lot of HIV and so on, but the point is that many people run to the urban. That is where the opportunities are, and we know that one of the reasons why HIV increases or the infections increase is because of the disposable income. Now the urban provides those opportunities. We have a number of populations or people who have some money and who will be able to share it with some strings attached. So some of those indicators are poor, not because the urban is not doing anything, but because everyone is running to the urban.
Brian Kaboyo oli meya wa Hoima City ahamwe na Badru Mugabi oli RCC wa Hoima bahijire abebembezi ahamwe n'abantu babutosha okwatanisiza hamwe okureba ngo babasa kurwanisa omuzego w'akakoko ka sirimu ogumanike yongera.
If you're keen enough, in December last year, cities topped the news headlines on infection rates and high prevalence rates of HIV. A case was in Mbarara, and just yesterday we were in a review and appreciated that Hoima City's prevalence is higher than the other districts and urban authorities in the region, and therefore it is contributing to an increased prevalence. It is contributing to the statistics being higher in the region, and therefore contributing to the prevalence statistics of the entire country. And this is not something to joke about. It is affecting all of us, and calls for all of us to plan together to manage this.
Rate eyaitu eya city eyemerire international prevalence rate wakwana urura ihanga lyo nalira 5.8 na Hoima region na Bunyoro era 5.8 nikyo kimu na city yaitu. So nikimanyisa anti tuinakurora anti abantu twabamanyisa anti ebyo aroho kwetanta rurwairo cyo kubanza kuwekara no mukyara wawe abstain otakusobora arhen migendero yokosa condom kyakandi kuwekebeza okamanya status yawe kandi okomanya status yawe utali murwaire karura owerinzire tubaba murwaire kandi okusanga oli murwaire wagenda amibazi yasobora kuyamba kurora anti akahuka ko yakamire yakasiriza kandi katika sora genda kubano nikakutwara rundi nokutulira amataba.